In today's video, I have a giveaway. This is a lead generation funnel that I'm giving away for free. If you want to access it instantly, the link to that is in the video description below. So let me show you what it looks like before I show you how to actually add it onto your website. So this is the landing page. Here on the top, we have the main title and the video and the description. On the bottom here, we have the video. However, you can purely customize this. It's very easy to customize. In fact, in this video, I'll be showing you how to change this video into an image, just in case it's an ebook download or it's something else and not really the video. And then over here, this is the main part, the opt-in. So this is where your visitors will add their name and email address. And as soon as they hit instant access, this will take them to the thank you page. And let me show you what this thank you page looks like. So this is the thank you page. And again, this is very, very easy to customize. In fact, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this video and just leave a call to action and a thank you message. Okay, so as you can see, this is quite straightforward. And then over here, I have this hover effect. Now let's go back to the landing page because I also need to show you the testimonial part, which is right at the bottom here. So as I'm scrolling here, you can see we have the testimonial part. I've also added this little slide animation and hover effect when you put your mouse over these testimonials. On the bottom here, we also have this company name and the address. It's very, very easy to go in and add your details as well. And I also show you in this video how to do it. So this lead generation funnel was created using Divi, and you will see in a moment why I prefer using Divi, because it's very, very easy to install these layouts. It's just pretty much a drag and drop. And also it has a ton of customizations you can do to these landing pages. Now, if you haven't bought Divi yet, I have an affiliate link in the video description below. If you buy Divi using my link, I will also give you access to my Divi Blueprint course. This is a course which teaches you how to design websites using Divi. So all you have to do is to click the link below, purchase Divi, and let me know once you've done that. So as I mentioned, this lead generation funnel can be used on any type of business. All you need to do is to go in, install it, customize the text, change the fonts, and also if you need the actual color palette that I used, I've actually got it here. It's also included in the download. So when you download it, you'll also get this color palette, which means if you want to add any additional pages or additional sections onto this design, you can do it with the color palette that I used to create it. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the link which I've added in my video description, and then you'll get to this landing page. Now over here, you just need to enter your name and email address. So here, I'm just going to add my name, and then over here I'm just going to enter my email address, and then you can just say yes, I want the free funnel. So when you click on that, you're going to be redirected to a thank you page, and you should get an email with further instructions on how to download this. In fact, you will get the download zip file. So once that's done, all you need to do is to click on it. It downloads onto your computer, and then I'll show you how to open the files. Okay, so as you can see, we are on our thank you page, and then it tells us here, now check your email for download instructions. Now, I've already gone to my email and I've already downloaded the files. So the files are on my desktop. So let me head over here to my desktop. Now over here, this is the free landing page zip file. So all you have to do is to double click on it, and this opens this folder. So when you open this folder, you're going to get these three files. You get the landing, the thank you page, and the color palette. Now, let me show you how to set this all up. Okay, so right now I'm in my WordPress admin dashboard. So the first thing I want to do here is to create a brand new page. So I'm going to come over here to pages, click on add new. So here, let's call this page free offer. Now here, the most important thing is to make sure you change your template from default templates to blank template. So the header and the footer is distracting. All right, so now that I have my name here, my page title, I'm going to click on Use Divi Builder. So here, I'm going to click on Build from Scratch. I'm just going to close this for now. Now, this is the time to go to our file. And since we're building the landing page, all I have to do is to click on this landing page and just drag it onto this area here. And now it tells us that it's loaded. All I have to do now is to click on Replace Existing Content and click on Import Divi Builder Layout. So just like that, it's going to import my layout, and this is going to include all the fonts, the images, and the whole layout. So as you can see here, I've got my layout ready to go. Fantastic. And you can see here, it doesn't have the footer and the header as well. Now, the next important thing that you need to do is to connect your email opt-in with your email autoresponder. So that's where we need to come over here to our email opt-in. Click on this gear icon. Now, in my case, I use ConvertKit. So over here, I scroll down, email account. This is where I can choose ConvertKit. And then you can choose your list here. Now I have a fake list that I created here called dieting list. So you can see here it's been added. So once you've just added that, you just click on save and this page is good to go. All right, so this is my ConvertKit account. So what you want to do is to come over here to landing pages and forms. So you want to first create your form here. So this is my lead generation funnel. It's got 18 subscribers already. So this is what we are connecting that form to. So it's connecting here. Right, so the next thing you want to do now is to go in and also direct this to a thank you page. But we need to first create it. So again, I'm going to go back to my WordPress admin dashboard. So let's start by creating a brand new page. So I'm going to come over here, click on add new. So I'm just going to call this free thank you. And again, as we did before, we're going to come over here to template, click on blank page, and then click on use Divi builder. Click on build from scratch. I'm going to close this for now. This time I need to install the thank you page from the file that we've just downloaded. So again, as we did before, you want to click on it and just drag it onto this area here. Click on replace existing content and then import Divi builder layout. And just like that, you've imported the thank you page with all its elements, including this button here. Right, so what you want to do now is to publish this page because we're going to need the URL in the previous step. Okay, so next I'm going to click on exit Visual Builder. So now this is the link that we need. So I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to go back to our landing page, click here on our email opt-in. And then I'm going to scroll down here until I get to success action. So this is where you want to add your link. So after your visitor adds their name and email address, over here, you're just going to click on free thank you, which is the thank you page that I've just created. So that's how they're redirected to the thank you page. So once you're done with that, you just need to click on save. You can publish the page. Okay, now let's say you want to go in, you want to customize this page because obviously you have a specific product that you're giving away or a free ebook, whatever it is. This layout is very, very easy to customize and work on. So all you have to do is to come over here. So let's say you want to get rid of this video and add an image. So all you have to do is to click on this delete button, just like that. Click this plus button and then search for your image module. So let's say it's an ebook. I'm going to click here on insert image. Now I have images here in my library. So I'm just going to scroll down here until I find, the image that I need. So let's say this is about cooking. I'm just going to install or add this image here. So now I've added my image. I'm going to save that. Now over here, you can change this title. Again, I'm going to click on this gear icon. So let's say you want to talk about the ebook. So you can say you will find, okay. So now you can go in and then customize this text. So as you can see here, this text that I'm adding is now related to the ebook. And this is how you easily go in and change this. Now over here, we have new free video reveals. You can say new free ebook. So this is how you go in and customize this text. Now here I've intentionally added this text as it is because I want you to add your own title here. So you can add a description here, which goes with the free item that you're giving away. And then over here as well, you can go in and customize these testimonials. So I'm going to click here on this gear icon. So you can see here, the author here is John. So we can change his name to Jack like that. And then over here, this is where you add the description for this layout. And then once you're happy with that, you can just save. And then over here now, finally, on the company name, you can actually go in and add your company name on the footer. So here, let's say my company name is Makita Limited. So that's how easily it is. You can go in and customize this. And then you can also add your address by just replacing where it says address goes here. Okay, so I'm going to save this now. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the thank you page and show you as well how you can customize this thank you page. So over here, I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. So as you can see, I've added a video here. So this is, let's say you are very confident on video and you want to add your video here. This is where you would just add it. So let's say you want to get rid of the video itself and just leave a thank you message and a call to action. That's what you just do. I've just deleted it. And then here on the button, it's very important that you come to the button here, click on the link, and then you want to paste your link URL here. So this is where you add your call to action. As you can see, this lead generation funnel is very easy to install, very easy to update. You can download it now by going to the URL that I've added in the video description below. It's 100% free. So all you need to do is to just enter your name, email address, and I'll send it over to you. All right, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.